Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing pretty well. Another unboxing share of a mystery box, but this time from Doodlebug. So this is my first time to purchase a mystery box from Doodlebug. And actually, it's a pink box. And actually, I already know what the pink box contains because I've been watching YouTube, and Doodlebug has color boxes. They have the pink, the tangerine, the green, probably the yellow. I'm not sure. But so I'm pretty sure I know already what's in the box. But then I ordered this online, and I specifically told them that I wanted the pink box because I've seen it already and I like it. So, but then I'm still going to share it with you guys. Let us get started. Let me just, I opened this already, but I didn't check all the details yet. You know what? I love Doodlebug. That's why when they have this a mystery box, I am going to grab it. So this is the inside of the box, and you got a tissue paper there, okay? And these are all the goodies, okay? So let's get started first with the cardstock, okay? Just get started with the cardstock first before we go into this itsy bitsy details, okay? So we have this paper, designer paper that they got. So let's just open it up. And let's see. We'll open this one here. Wait, where is it? Can't find the opening. It's on the other side. Sorry about that. There. I'm pretty excited. Okay, let's fix my table. So with this one, I don't know what collection this is, but I don't know if it goes with a collection. Probably not, because what I've seen on YouTube, it doesn't go with the collection. So there's a lot of different things inside, but like I said, I love this. Love that. Okay, so this is Fairy Garden, and this is 2021. So this is a sticker pack here, stick-ons there, stick-ons. So, and that's the stickers they got here. They have a vellum paper, which I love, okay? And they got this one, like, collage vibes. Love that. And, the hearts, different color hearts. And all these messages, cloud messages, is that what you call it? And then this gold and white strips. See, their paper pack is like of different collection. Like this is hats off, and they have a pretty nice acetate, heavyweight acetate, and this is a 2023 acetate. It's pretty nice, guys. Look at that. Okay, then we have cut aparts, a Halloween, Happy Haunting. Yep, 2021. Okay, and this is Daily Doodles. So they have a lot of, their cardstocks are really different from each other, different collection. But that's okay, because you can actually mix and match Doodlebug pieces from any other kit, as long as you know how to blend it. And here's a Happy Haunting thing, okay? And this is this I Love Travel, okay? That's good for travel journals. And this is a Happy Birthday, which is also I like, because you can cut that one and just stick it on a card. And there's a little doggy there, and Land That I Love, okay? Red strips. And this is Seaside Summer. As everything is okay with me, because I don't really purchase Doodlebug a lot, because number one, they're expensive. And, you know, that's why I said, nah, that's okay. These are nice tags, see? And another one here, Candy Carnival. Checkered, black and orange. Candy Lane. Oh, this is so cute. Cutie cute. And another Christmas thing. Candy Lane. Alright, so we have this for our cardstock and paper design. Okay, so we'll set this aside here. And they have this are these stickers? Cardstock stickers. Okay, yep. And that's so nice, no? Doggies, I don't have that one. That's all right. And, you know, 4th of July. Yep, nice. Oh, I love this one. And this is what I love. This glittery edge stickers. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, love, love, love. Okay. And now we'll go on to the others. So they have this paper clips. There you go. You know, these are small ones. You know, when I saw this in YouTube, I thought they were the big ones. But it's a mini, I said, mini clothespin that comes in gold and silver, which is pretty cute. Okay. Then they got these tokens. Uncle Sam tokens. Okay, assortment. Pretty, pretty. Oh, this is what I liked. They're shaker pops. I love Doodlebug shaker pops. You know, if you buy it individually, like $2 something, it's pretty expensive. But isn't it so cute? Really, really cute. And they got these paper clips, jelly clips. Beautiful. Okay. And then they got this mini jewels. Nice. They have this star eyelets. Okay. They have this 1, 2 trees. So what do you do with this one, 1, 2 trees? Are they just... Okay. Contains 2 each of the following. So probably you include this in any mixed shaker. Probably it's a shaker bits as well. But I don't know what you'll use this with. Or is it stick-ons? I don't know. We are gonna try that later. And then you have this paper clips, which a cute baby girl assortment. Cute. Enamel dots. Who would... You can't say no to enamel dots. So pretty, pretty. And then we have this gingham lilac forget-me-not. So this is a polyester. So, okay. All right. Then we have this sequence, which is a heart. Pretty, pretty. And then more shaped sprinkle hearts here. And this is also pretty. Shaped sprinkles. Look at that. There's a bacon and egg toaster. Breakfast buddies. Pretty, pretty cute. And then we'll go on to the paper pad. This is a 4th of July paper pad. So let's see. It's a double-sided here. There you go. Cut the parts. Yep. Nice, nice. Oh, I like the color. I like this one. Pretty. Cut the parts. Oh, look at this one. This is cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. A lot of cut the parts. I love it. And this is just the repeat. Yeah. Yep. Is it? Yeah. That's the repeat. Okay. Then the next one we have is this, you call this page, what do you call this one? Cardstock stickers. Well, it's a sticker, but it's word sticker. Headlines. Okay, that's what you call it. Headline stickers. Lovable. Nice. And springtime. Nice. Okay. Then we have more stickers here. Just imagine. And we have expressions. Okay. Nice also. Another one. Expressions. And we got this candy shop. Is this rub-on? Yeah, rub-on. Mini rub-ons. Really nice. And we got Doodlebug cardstock stickers. Love, love stickers. Okay. Then we have this cardstock stickers as well. And more cardstock stickers. Okay. Then we got here the puffy icons. I like this. That's why I like this box, because of this. And this is also mini icons for planners and calendar. Yeah, that's also pretty cute, cool. Because of this one. Because they have this recipe book. You know, their recipe book here. That's why I picked this up, because of the recipe book. Okay. Oops. And we gotta take that out. There. Oops. Okay. And with this one, you can play this with this one. See? Actually, I'm wanting to make one like this, but you know, this is printed, so probably you can. Who knows? But that's why I picked this up, because of this one. These recipe cards and these two here. Okay. And the doilies. Love the green doily. Love that one. Another pop-up stickers here. Cute. And this is another little pop-up stickers here. Very cute. And some here, like words. What do you do this? Do you put this in a charm? I don't know what to do with that, but we will see. And we got this washi tape. Like fall. Okay, good. Another pop-up. So I got 4. I love it, 4. And there's here bits and pieces of Let It Snow. Basically, that's everything in there. Okay. And this comes in 42 pieces. And this one also is 88 pieces. Lots of love. Oh, this is different collection kit. That's all you get there. Awesome. And then we got this Braddies. Oh, so cute Braddies. And these dotlets. They are pretty small. And the last is this. I only have one Halloween item. And these are all high. That's okay, because Halloween is done and it's a long way before Halloween again. Yep. So that is my Doodlebug mystery box. I seen the tangerine and the green box, but you know, I wanted the pink. So until then, I hope you enjoy this short video of mine to share with you my unboxing of Doodlebug. So until my next video, I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.